Hey everyone! So today I just wanted to show you how I made this rainbow eyeliner. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. For the face I'm just gonna show you quickly, but I'm not gonna say nothing, so it's gonna go really fast. And if you don't want to see the face makeup, just go to this amount of minute written just there. You will see the eyes straight away. So for the eye, I'm going to do it voiceover so it avoids to have a noise of the zoom. I'll start by putting some black eye pencil in my upper waterline. So first of all, I'm going to apply my base and redefine my brow with it too. Then I'll apply some beige on my brow bone. And I'll start building up my crease with a light brown color. I'm going to intensify with a darker brown. I'll redefine my crease with the base to make a full length cut crease. Then I'll apply some golden beige on top. A little touch of the same golden in the inner corner. Then I'll use some tape to help me guide my line of eyeliner. I'm gonna start with the red at the beginning and I apply it with a very precise brush. And I continue with all the colors of the rainbow. Orange. I make sure I'm blending in between each color very nicely. Yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. And I remove the tape. I'll add some beige in my lower waterline. I continue by adding the same light brown and darker brown on my bottom lash line. I'll curl my lashes, add some mascara. And now we're moving on to the lips. It sounds weird, but because there's all the colors and we use a neutral tone in the crease, we could be able to put any lip color we want. For this time, because it's not that sunny outside, I'm gonna go for a dark brown, but you could put any colors, any finish on your lips. So this is a universal lip pencil and it will just avoid my liquid lipstick to go on my skin, and it's amazing because you can use it with any color liquid lipstick. So that's the total look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If that was the case, don't forget to like it and let me know in the comment what other makeup or other video you would like me to make. And I'll see you another time for a new video. Ciao!